Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good Monday morning, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Winston, how was the weekend? Okay?
Excellent, yeah. Very
Seems
nice,
like we had
you.
a bit of snow this morning in Warsaw.
We
and
had
hail
every season throughout the year in a space of like an hour, I think.
Yeah, or even 20 minutes, I think. Yeah, just all hit. Well, great. Always never a dull moment here. Good as Friday morning. Welcome back from the weekend. We hope you all had a safe and fun weekend. We're 10 days away, exactly 10 days away from the Europa Property CEE Retail Awards being held here in Warsaw at the InterContinental Hotel. So great to see everybody's coming and on board so far. We've got loads of great sponsors, REIT City, Master Management, Tree, MK Illumination, Hebe, MSI Sensory, which is this great smells and music and all kinds of fun things that they're going to provide, that they provide for retailers and shopping center owners and for our guests, actually. So TPA, great to have them back. Also Emo Finance, NAI Ukraine, lots of great offers from Ukraine and companies and shopping centers opening there that are great to be at for retailers. Capel, New Work offices, MAPIC, of course. MAPIC, great. They had a great event in November. EY, CDDI, Corporate Due Diligence and Investigations. EY is our auditor again, of course. Hayes, the recruitment company, also great to have them on board. Enhood, again, which is previously Citrus, also on board. And CBRE Investment Management, formerly Global, but now CRE Investment Management. So great to have them all on board. Lots of people, it looks like we have a record number of even nominations, or at least a lot of nominations coming through. From what I could see, we had 25 awards, or am I wrong?
We kind of broke a few out and we've got like almost 30 now.
30 now, wow,
Yeah.
Wow. Well, a lot of people.
We've got the overall awards, don't forget those.
Yeah, exactly. So really a lot going on. Well, the retailers, there are a lot of heroes out there in the end. So good to award them. Having said that, so 10 days, we've got our retail awards. If you're not signed up or you don't have a corporate table yet, do that right away. MIPIM coming up mid-March in Cannes. So we're putting together our magazine from that. We just made a partnership today again, we've had them before, but with the city of Kiev, and of course all the cities are joining in Ukraine. So that's one of our media partners from the East, or our partners from the East will be on that stand, but also, of course, Poland stands, Czech, Hungary as well. So if you have any news or anything you want to promote for MIPIM, let us know. We have a couple weeks till the deadline of that, I think. More than a couple weeks, yeah, almost a month.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So let us know if you want to put something in for the MIPIM guide. Straight after that, we have our SEE Awards. Again, March 31st at the Radisson Blue Hotel. It'd be great to have finally, for the first time in 2 years, to actually meet everyone again. And we just had a new jury member, which you can see on our website from Bogart, just joined us again. So great to have them. So we're getting a little group of jury members together for that one as well. Having said that, I think that's all we got going for now. We'll take a little break and then we'll jump right back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com, for the news, kicking off this week. Ladies and gentlemen, join us for the 14th annual Europa Property CEE Retail Awards, with over 100 expansion directors attending and the most active owners of shopping centers, retail parks, and big box retail. All ready to do deals. This event is not to be missed. During the day, we have our retail marketplace, which focuses on deal making, retailer presentations, and CEE Retail Forum. In the evening is the awards gala, which starts at 7 in the evening and finishes late into the night. Welcome back, and Winston, great to have you on the show. And let's hear what we have going on Europa Property news.
Yeah, thanks, Craig. Today we'll start with Panatone, and they've announced a pretty big deal, which is they've sold an Amazon warehouse to a Korean investor. This warehouse is located in Western Poland, and it's offers 190,000 square meters of GLA. And BNP Paribas, they represented the client from Korea, and they're very proud. They say in the press release to be a part of this deal, which is heralded as one of the largest deals of 2021. If I said 165 million, this development was sold for.
Wow.
The property is BREEAM certified, as all of Panettone's developments are these days, and benefits from good transport links. It's close to the S3 expressway, which provides good connections to the A2 motorway, and it allows Amazon to efficiently distribute its goods to clients in Poland, the Czech Republic, and Germany.
I always like driving on the S3.
Yeah, me too. Moving on and going to the retail market, and Cushman & Wakefield have announced that the Czech retail market remains very attractive for retailers. They've announced in 2021, 38 new retail brands entered the Czech market, which is a 52% year-on-year increase over the 25 new brands which arrived in 2020. So, although the sector has been suffering from the problems and changes due to the coronavirus,
no shortage of new brands.
No shortage of new brands entering the Czech market, and I think Cushman & Wakefield go on to say that the tourists that are coming back to the markets and things like that are very encouraging signs, and retailers really like the Czech market, in Prague especially. To when they enter the region, the Central European region, they like to go into Prague on a high street kind of location.
A lot of tourists spending money. Yeah,
and they go on to say that even the brick and mortar stores and the e-commerce, and now that's affecting brick and mortar stores, they're saying that these two channels are creating the omni-channel environment now, and that is actually proving to be a kind of perfect. They perfectly complement each other in moving forwards. And the greatest number of brands and concepts that came to Poland were 7 for the Czech Republic, were 7 from Poland, 4 from Germany, 4 from Italy, and 3 from the UK. And as I said, most of the brands opened in Prague, which is around 32.
Wow, so a lot of positive news for Polish brands moving into another market.
Yeah,
again. Continuing.
The Czech Republic seems a very good place to have your retail operations going.
Absolutely.
Moving to Russia, and in Moscow, Jisk, the DIY kind of household store, they've opened up in a brand new neighborhood center developed by ADG Group. They develop those. They call them neighborhood centers in Moscow, where they're refurbing old cinemas into
they have quite a lot, like 20 or something.
Yeah, 20 planned. This one opened in December last year, and has a GLA of nearly 36,000 square meters, and can host up to 20,000 visitors daily. So this just has opened in there, and they say that it's going to provide their clients with all the necessary goods for the home in that catchment area. And finally for today, Yovav Karmi has stepped down from GTC's management board. He has served GTC for over 20 years, performing various functions, including a post on the management board. And as president of the board during 2021, he oversaw the landmark sale, which is that standing office portfolio in Belgrade, which included Green Heart, 41, Belgrade Business Centre, 19 Avenue, and GTC House, which was around 123,000 square meters GLA, and that was sold for 267.6 million euros, which was above book value and became one of the biggest transactions of its kind in the CEE region for 2021.
Wow, so he's done his job, let's say.
He's had a very interesting year, it seems.
Yeah, good. Well done. So we'll see. Exactly. So, great. That's all we have for today.
Yeah, those are the main headlines for today.
So, thank you for that, Winston. And thank you for all watching the show. We're still over 8,000 views a week, and over 14,000 on 8,000 views a week on the news, and over 14,000 on the interviews. We'll be doing a lot of filming at MIPIM as well. So let us know if you want to do an interview at MIPIM or something, or even before for the Coffee with Craig show. So we have some great opportunities. And having said that, have a nice day, stay safe, and be careful in this snowy weather if you're in Warsaw. And we will see you tomorrow. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.